We are going to solve quadratic sequence today. We have three basic formulas: 2a, 3a plus 1 and a plus b plus c. Now these are the three basic values, these are the three basic formulas that we'll be using. Now in quadratic sequence we need to find the difference of the values first. So first difference will be, let me write down, first difference is and then second difference here. Let me write down. Okay, first difference is 6, second is going to be 10, third is going to be 14. Yes, 14. And then the second difference will be 4 and then 4 again. Now I know that second difference is 4, which means this is a quadratic sequence. Now the rule says that as per the first formula, 2a is going to be what? 2a is equals to my second difference. So I'll put 4 here, which is my second difference. I'll simplify, and 4 divided by 2 gives me a is equals to 2. So I'll put a as 2 in the corner. Now I'll take the second value by using what? By using second formula, 3a plus 1. So 3a plus, now this one, no, let me just fix this part. Okay, I'll fix it later. Wait, this is 6. Now 3a plus 1 is equals to 6. Now this is a's value I already know, but this is not 1, this is b, and up there I change it to b. Now 3a plus b is equals to 6. Sorry, now what I'm going to do is I will say that I have to calculate the value of b, but for that I need to substitute the value of a in it. I know the value of a, so I will leave a as it is so far. I'll do the next step. A is equals to 2, so 3 times a plus b is equals to 6. A is equals to 2, so 6 plus b is equals to 6, and then b is equals to 6 minus 6 makes it 0, so b is equals to 0. I'm going to do c. I want to find value of c. For finding the value of c, a plus b plus c, my third formula, equals to 0. Now I place 0 here, but I'll explain you what is going to be. It's not 0 actually. I'll tell you what it is. Now here I know the first term, which is 6, so I will change this to my first term value. It's going to be 6 actually. A plus b plus c is equals to 6. Now a is equals to 2, b is equals to 0, and c I don't know, so I will calculate the value of c from here. C is equals to 6 minus 2, c is equals to 4. Now I know the value of c, so I know the value of a, b and c. The basic formula that we will be using is going to be a n square, the main formula. Let me write it down. Main formula is going to be a n square plus b n plus c. Now a is what? I know the value of a. A is what? Let's look at the values that we figured out. A is equals to 2, so I'll put 2 here, 2 n square, plus b. Now I know b is equals to 0, so 0 times n is going to be 0 eventually, so I'm not writing anything here. I'll just leave this place blank, and plus c is equals to 4. Now 2n square plus 4 is my nth term formula. This is my nth term formula. So here, now we will verify our formula. We will see if our formula is correct. Let's check. We know the nth term formula is 2n square plus 4. Let me put n as third. 3 means third term. I'm verifying my value of third term. So 3 square is 9. 9 times 2 makes 18. 18 plus 4 makes 22. Now I'll see if my third term value is actually 22. Third term is 22. Let's see if we have it here. My third term is 1, 2 and 3, so third term is 22. This means my nth term formula is correct. So this is my basic rule. It's true that the formula is correct. So this is how you can find out the solution of a quadratic sequence in a very easy and simple manner. Remember the differences: second difference, first difference, then 2a is equals to 4, 3a plus b is equals to 6. It's my second difference. This is my first difference, and 6 will be my term 1, first term value. All right. Thank you very much, guys.